Hi, my name is Vivian Ruiz, and I'm the Executive Director for Disability Resources and New2U Computers. This is JT. JT is in our Job Development Training Program, and we're here to welcome you to the NCET Tech Wednesday event on March 13th here at our facilities. We're so excited that you'll be joining us. When you come out, you'll learn about our Job Development Training Program, helping over 40 individuals with competitive work skills. What do you love about your job, JT?
Donations.
Donations? You love
Yes.
taking in the donations from the community members?
Oh, yes, I do.
Well, you're great at it, so thank you.
You're welcome.
You'll also learn that we have just become the first nonprofit in Northern Nevada to receive R2 certification. It's an industry recycling standard of how we dispose of electronics environmentally friendly and how we destroy data securely. You'll also learn about our computer giving program, where we give free computers to individuals with disabilities. We have lots more to share with you, and we hope that you will join us on March 13th for NCET Tech Wednesday. We welcome you. Thank you.